Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing I'm going to be creating my character. Going to be creating my character here. Okay. Now I'm just gonna go to presets. Okay. I do a default boy because the girl has like normal things there, so yeah. I'm going to be doing for a dark skin one. Should I do dark skin one? Yeah, probably. Okay, now we have our dark skin people. Now we're going to be doing poses. Okay. I'm going to be doing a girl, by the way. Okay. Now I'm going to be doing a girl. I'm going to be doing a girl. It's very different. Like, for my opinion, this is really hard to do. Oh. It's like very hard to do. So I'm going to be going here. Now I'm going to do the front hair. I'm going to try to use the new ones because there's like a lot of new ones. So yeah. I'm drinking water right now. Ooh, this one's pretty cute. With that back hair, if you have like back hair. These are really pretty. Oh, these are really pretty. Okay, now let's pick a color. Let's do this color. The outline is the dark color. Okay. Now this is the outline. The sub. The outline is the dark color. The high color is probably like this. Like there. Now for the eyes, I really like these kind of eyes. They're really pretty. Okay, that looks kind of weird, but it's okay. Like, yeah. Now I'm gonna try to use like the new ones. Okay. Now we're gonna do like the facial expression. Okay, these are pretty good. Let's do a nose. Fill with this nose. Yeah, sure. There's a blush. Eyes view. Okay, eyes have. Gonna make them smaller because that's it. Now for the right eyes, we're gonna make this smaller. Make it like that, like the scale. Like that. Okay, that's how I think I did it. Now I'm going to do the shirt logo. Okay, now I'm going to do the hats. These are very different. If you want to be that, you're gonna be this one, you're gonna be this, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do this one. This is really cute, and it can actually match my outfit. So let's see. What color should we do it? Let's do it like a light one. Let's do like a light thing. That's pretty. Dude, that's harsh. Okay, I don't really need something to add for this. So yeah, I don't really need something to add for this, to be honest. Okay. What am I gonna add for this? Oh, maybe this, because I haven't used that. That's really cute. Like, it's like really cute. And now let's use this one. White. Like, you should use a different color. Let's go to accessory top. Now let's do the face. Like, this is very different. Oh, what? This is glitched. Oh my gosh. This is glitched. Okay. Now we're going to do scarf tops. Oh, let's pick this. Hey, this is cool. Hey. Now we're going to do like, we're gonna go make this a dark color. With the sub, we're going to make it like a light color. Yeah. Another face accessory. Yeah, that's cool. Now let's go to and make the outfit. We're going to do the outfit. It's pretty cute. These outfits are really cute. Suits us very well. Suits it very well. This is it very well, to be honest. Okay. We have to do that. That's cute AF. Okay. Now we just need to do this, and the sleeves are basically like this. Yeah, that's pretty cute. The skirt, we really like, I don't really use that much of the skirts, but yeah, I don't really use them that much. I want to use them. Oh my god, that looks like a tube. Okay, maybe we can like switch it up a little bit. Okay, maybe let's do like a little that one. Okay. Wait, we're going to switch it up, I think, yeah. Now we're going to do with the pants, like this. And we're going to add like these kind of pants, like the dark kind of pants, like this white. Yeah, that's cool. That's cute. Ooh, that's cute. Oh my gosh, gosh, that's such a cute one. Let's try like some new shoes because yeah. Okay, now we go to extra shoulder. Ooh, ooh, that's so pretty. Let's do that. What about this? I don't really know. Okay, the name font has to be like a good one. You don't want like a bad one. Ooh, we're going to do 12. Like, yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's do 11 for there. Bubble type, the bubble color will be green, like a dark green. Like the chat will be like that. Yeah, outline bubble color. I don't really do that, to be honest. Chat style. Yeah, now we're going to do Lily. Like, we're going to name her Lily. I already have Lily. Sylvana. Like, yeah, she's pretty cool. Her age is 16. Like, yeah. Okay, let's do this. Oh, this is pretty cute. Favorite club? Club Dragon. Okay. Now we have it done. We have our OC here. I already made like some other OCs here, like this. And like this one. This is like for an upcoming episode, like an upcoming mini movie. If you didn't know, like from Mia from Mobile Legends, because I know her story actually. This is like the royal family. She's like a part of the royal family, if you didn't know. And this is Niana. She's like a random OC, but it's okay. Like this is like something that you don't want to know. This is Sylvana. She's like a little bit cool. So we're going to make the BG10 like this BG color. Yeah, and that's how it works. Like, I don't really know. And this is like, you could do this, whatever. I'm going to do a body and I'm going to do shadow. But I'm going to do head size 17 because it's actually cute. Like, ooh. Like, I'm going to just thank you for watching the video.